Okay, here's the 560 SL, and today the brakes went from stopping normally to super rigid. Power assist gone. Anyway, so here's the master cylinder booster, and then here's our little culprit here. It's an air hose. Air hose that snapped. So you need to buy this whole entire assembly, this whole hose, 45, 55 bucks, which is what I'll have to do. But yeah, went from smooth braking to just about having to stand on the brake pedal. So if you swap that out, you don't have to bleed the brakes or anything like that. That's one issue. Yeah, this is a great car. It's 130,000 miles. It does bleed about a quart of oil a month. Not too bad, but that's a little too much. Another issue with these old 560s or any of the SL cars is signal lamps. Sometimes the signal lamps will be functional, sometimes they won't. And so here's what you do. If your signal lamps don't seem to be working, play with this, because it's all in the same circuit. Just turn that on, turn that off, turn that on, turn that off, and that should bring it back until you swap out some of that circuitry, some of that wiring. Another issue is the horn's not working today, so right down there is a fuse that's failed. We'll have to swap that out. It's easy stuff. It's an older car. It's pre-OBD2. It's pre-sensors, where you plug and chug and reads codes. This is all vacuum lines, and vacuum line cars, really truthfully, I really just can't stand working on vacuum line cars, because it's there's no way to know, unless you just know that series of car, how to service them and repair them. With the OBD2 cars, all you gotta do is plug and chug, and it's a sensor. And just spend the money, swap the sensors out. And here's another feature for this car. If you lock this, okay, that passenger side door is locked. This is locked, but you can't open this with the key. Just will not allow it. So the only way to unlock the trunk is to unlock the front door, the driver's side door. See if that'll come on. It's a little slow. It's another feature I don't really like, because if you got problems, then you really got problems, because shit don't work. Like right now, shit don't work. Yep. Turn that. Nothing happens. Take it out. Try it again. So, great way to get locked out of your fucking car. Yeah, okay, so here's the deal. If it's resisting unlocking, hold this guy in this position, and it'll force that door to open. So just like that, hold it in that position. It'll force that to open, and at the same time it'll open your trunk so you can get access to your trunk. So there's the 560 and some of the latest quirks with the car. It's got way too much acceleration. This is a 5600cc engine, super powerful, and all vacuum lines. This guy likes to pop open too. Have to figure out how to resolve that issue. Great car. I just thought I'd share that with you. And So if you have that problem where you're going from smooth braking to almost having to stand on the brake pedal, that's the issue right there. Is that little vacuum valve, because they're old plastic and they just snap. All right, man, we'll see you on the next YouTube.